A stubborn mini speaker loses its voice, and a patient fixer uncovers a tiny loose connection that saps its power. With confident, gentle movements, the cord is reseated, the contacts cleaned, and the driver chip wakes up like new. A quick test confirms a clear, warm tone while the fix stays clean and compact, ready for daily use. Through careful cable management and a fresh shim, the device sits steady on its shelf without wobble or heat. The result is a quiet victory that proves small, deliberate tweaks can restore life in under a minute.